Hello guys, how are you all doing? My name is Esther, aka the Honorable Esther's Chronicles. Thank you all for my returning subscribers. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. Today I'm vlogging, I'm introducing this video live all the way from Liechtenstein. Yes, Liechtenstein is a country in Switzerland. Are you surprised? It's a very small community, but it's a country on its own. So today I came to celebrate with one of my own. She's celebrating her 40th birthday, and I choose to vlog the day. You are welcome, but please do me a favor. If you're just coming across this video, just like it even before we start the video, because it's gonna be hot in here. And if you like what you see, I know you will love what you see. Just subscribe to this channel. There's no dull moment. This is a happy place and a joyful zone. It's your girl Esther. You are welcome. So you're welcome in once again, fam. On this particular day, I was very tired, but as soon as we set out for this journey, I gained my energy back. The introductory video you just watched was done at the venue. So as soon as I started seeing the nature, nature has a way of giving you energy. But before we start the video properly, I would just want to tell you a bit of Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is a German-speaking 25-kilometer long principality between Austria and Switzerland. It is known for its medieval castles, landscape and villages linked by a network of trails. The capital of Liechtenstein is Vaduz. It's a cultural and financial center. This country is a very small country and it is very, very rich. It is a home to Kunstmuseum. Liechtenstein is known for its galleries, and these galleries are made up of modern and contemporary art. Another thing that is synonymous to Liechtenstein is the fact that there is a popular post museum, and this post museum displays Liechtenstein's postage stamp. The capital of Liechtenstein is Vaduz. Yes, its area is just 160 kilometers square. Its dialing code is 423. And what else do you need to know? The population of the whole city is about 38,138. Until date, Swiss francs is their currency. This was when we were entering into the city. It's a sight to behold. And then we got to the place. I really didn't want to vlog. Even here, I just started vlogging. My friends were there and they were already gingering me. And I said, come on, this is an international birthday. I want to make it memorable. And so I decided to start vlogging. I decided to start vlogging the event. I enjoyed every bit of it. Don't worry, keep watching. I'll keep telling you more about the city even as we go into this video together. Can you see the decoration? Something simple and light. The color of the day was white. Actually, we're supposed to wear, the outfit was white. That's the beautiful cake. Mega shout out to Cakes by Ariel. She's my friend and she was the one who baked the cake. I'm going to show you to the celebrant very soon. The place was not so big, but very cozy and classy and just neat. I love the ambience. I love the feeling. Going for this event gave me so much energy. Let me know at the comment section if you are a party starter like me. I love parties. Can you imagine me driving all the way for close to 2 hours to attend this event? Now, I just came out to enjoy the ambience of the city. It's so beautiful. So as at this time, we were just taking pictures. We're just having nice time meeting up with friends while we are wait for the party to start. Can you imagine the serenity of the city? Can you just imagine the beauty of this country? It is a country on its own, guys. Just one, and the population is 38,137. Their currency to date is Swiss francs. Can you see? Now, the venue for the party was a school. You see, these rocks are synonymous to the city. It is surrounded The city, the country itself, it's surrounded by the rock. And this country, Liechtenstein, is a successful business location that has one of the highest industrial quotas in the world, with around 41% of the gross value added from industry and the goods producing trade. Like I tell you, my is like a younger brother to Switzerland. Like Switzerland, Liechtenstein is also a member of the United Nations and the European Free Trade Association. You know, a lot of people always think that people come to Switzerland to hide money. Another place that money is being hidden is this country, Liechtenstein. I'm telling you, keep watching, guys. So let me officially introduce you to the beautiful celebrant of the day. Yes, that's the celebrant. And this is 40. Guys, do you think 40 looks good on her? I think it looked amazing on her. So yours faithfully also represented. So while we were taking pictures outside, the party had already started partially. Some people were having snacks and chicken and small chops already. So that's why I and the celebrant were just here having fun. And every other person that wanted to take pictures, there was already small chops going on inside. Okay. So guys, the party continued, but I had to excuse myself, I and my girlfriend, to just do this 1 minute chat. You see, being alive alone is an occasion, because we live in a time that tomorrow is not promised. Like this dress I'm wearing, I've made this dress since last year October. It was supposed to be like my 10 years anniversary outfit, but somehow I didn't get to do the photo shoot I wanted to do with it. So when I started preparing for this birthday, I thought, what should I wear? I went to Zara, I made some ordering, but I didn't like it. So today I said, let me just wear this outfit. And I was hoping that I will not be overly dressed, but somehow I was not overly dressed. But so I thought of it to just encourage you, if there are some outfits in your wardrobe that you are keeping for a special occasion, my dear, bring it out. Because if you don't bring it out, if anything happens to you tomorrow, you'll be shocked. Your sisters will rock it. If you are in diaspora, if you are lucky enough, the outfit will get to your country. If you are not lucky, you're on your own. So the party continues, my people. Let's go. Celebrant. And please, when the celebrant is coming in, please let's do her that honor of standing up to celebrate with her, to rejoice with her. Yes. It's not easy to be 40. No. It's not easy. It's not easy to be 40, to be a mom, to be a worker in Switzerland. Please celebrate yourself if you are more than 40. Celebrate yourself if you are more than 40. It is not easy to be 40. I know what I'm saying. It's a different level. It's a different level. So like I said, thank you all for coming to celebrate. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much. Like you can see, we have something to drink. We have things to eat. Just make yourself comfortable. Feel at home. Feel at home. I don't know where you came from. I came all the way from, you know, this is another country, you know, right? So this is like an international birthday. So we have to make it remarkable. Yeah. So anyway, we are going to be inviting the celebrant, the person of Omolara. Omolara, she's a mom. She's a beautiful one for that matter. I couldn't have guessed that she's up to 40. So DJ, you know her music, you know her requested music. Please make it loud as she come in. Let's celebrate 40 years of God's faithfulness. Celebrate 40 years of wealth. Celebrate 40 years of goodness. Celebrate 40 years of strength. Let's welcome in the celebrant. And the person of Omolara, she's beautiful. Let's welcome her with a round of applause and a standing ovation. So here comes the celebrant. The celebrant is a stepper. Oh. She can dance. Oh. So the celebrant eventually changed her outfit. The first one was the first outfit. I don't know, maybe it's a common thing. Most people that are celebrating 40, they always change like 2 or 3 times. So this was her second outfit and it looks so amazing on her. I had to do this voiceover to avoid copyright. The celebrant is a stepper. Like I told you, the outfit of the day was white. We're all meant to wear white. Yes, look at me with my camera trying to get some nice shots for you all. Please like this video as you are watching it for me. We had lots of Oyibo people there. Yeah, lots of white people that are married to blacks. It was an international setting on its own. It was an international setting. Yes. So it was just dance, dance, dance all the way. And I'm just going to play my theme song for you.
Wah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Yes, we go motivate you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind, and make sure you like go. Drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Yeah. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Sure you go like them. Oh yeah, I go like them. Oh yeah. Sure you go comment. Oh yeah. My side comment. Oh yeah. Sure you go subscribe. Oh, and make sure you like. Oh, drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we
Guys, this is what the night's view. It's almost 10 p.m. and it's still bright. It's almost 10 p.m. And we're driving out. It was only like about now. It's demolished, and now it's time for the men to dance. Yeah, the men were called upon to come and dance because in most parties men don't like dance, and in this particular party we realized that the men were not dancing, so we called out the celebrants, the beautiful celebrants, for the men to come and dance with her. And trust them, they really represented, they danced, they sprayed her. Some of them were shy at initially, but trust your girl, after hyping them, they started dancing. Even the ones that couldn't dance, they were shaking their head, they were nodding their head. It was just fun all through, but the celebrant had a blast. She was happy. In fact, she's a stepper like never before. So we're just dancing and dancing and dancing, and people were spraying her. Yeah, mega shout out to those that were spraying her. It's not so common in Switzerland for people to be dancing and they'll be spraying you. So for this celebrant to get sprayed, it was a blessing. You can see, like I told you, she's a stepper. Even if nobody was hyping and nobody was dancing, she was just having her own mad fun. Mad oh. So like I said, I think most celebrants always like to change 3 times, and this was the third outfit of the day. It was just a simple bandage dress. Like you can see, the host, no time for shoes here. She threw her shoes off because here we're listening to the all these East African songs, all those Awilo Logumba, Katie. So it was just freestyle jiving. And because we have a lot of Kenyans, a lot of Ugandans, Gambians represented, it was a show time for them. Like they were literally dancing at the other end. Thank you so much if you've watched to this extent. Let me know if you will travel all the way for a party like I did. Though this one was less than 2 hours drive. I've seen cases where people travel from Lagos to America for graduation, which I would love to do. Yes, I would love to do those things as I grow older, traveling from one continent to another, just to have fun, just to celebrate, just to, just to catch up on the other side of life. And this party, a lot of people came in from the UK, from America, and like from Switzerland. So, like I said, it's an international birthday party. And at this time, it was already 10 o'clock. I left there a few minutes after 10, and the party continued till 2 a.m. into the night. This was the main time the party was even starting, but I had to leave because I need to drive back for like 2 hours. Omo, the birthday girl is a party killer. This place, it was just all those Awilo Logomba song, all those skates, like I said. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun as much as I had. Mega shout out once again to the celebrants. May your joy continue to know no bounds in Jesus' name. I'll see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.